In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most graceful, my dear students in grade 5, welcome back to our syllabus in science. Again, excuse me, open your box, all of you, page 76, okay? Our list today, again, is about the earth rotates on its axis. الأرض تدور حول محورها, okay? Our keywords, the first one, axis, repeat after me, axis, axis, محور الأرض, rotate, equal the word turn, okay? Turn around. تلف أو تدور. Number 3, angle, زاوية. If you look here to the shape or the photo of the earth, as we said before, it's a kind of model here. It's a model of the earth, and here we have a stick, and this model can rotate on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis, okay? So if you look here to our lesson, he said, think about the way in which you modeled the movement of the earth in unit 4.1. As we said last time in our lesson before, we see that the earth rotates anti-clockwise. عكس دوران عقارب الساعة. And also, as we said, it turns as we turn around the Kaaba. Do you remember? Yes. So he said that the earth spin or turn around. What did he do to make the earth turn or spin around? We can turn it by our hand the clockwise, as we said. So he said the globe in the picture has a stick through its middle too, but of course there is no stick through the center of the real earth. The real earth, our planet, we don't have a stick in the middle, but this is just a model, as we said. So here the earth spins or rotates on its axis, تلف حول محورها. This is an imaginary line, خط خيالي, that runs from the North Pole through the center of the earth to the South Pole, from the North Pole to the South Pole. And if you look here, he said a globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. الأرض ثلاثية الأبعاد يا شباب, okay? It takes the earth 24 hours, 1 day, to complete one rotation. It's one rotation, it takes 1 day, 24 hours. In other words, to turn around completely on its what? Axis. محورها. Once a day. So the earth takes 1 day to rotate on its axis. Okay? To change from day to night or from night to day. He said here, how many complete turns on its axis will the earth make in 1 week? So if in 1 day we said 1 rotation, so in 1 week 7 rotations. Very good. What would happen if the earth did not rotate on its axis? If the earth still stands, okay, without rotation in front of the sun, what happens? We said that half of the earth would be daytime forever, and the other half would be night forever, okay? نهار طول الوقت, where the other side will be night or ليل طول الوقت. The second page, let's move quickly to the other page. Here, he said if you modeled the earth carefully, you will have placed your stick at an angle because the axis of the earth is tilted on at an angle, okay? منحرفة أو مائلة بزاوية يا شباب. Look at the picture of the globe and the diagram below. Can you see which way the earth is tilted? Here we have the axis of the earth, this imaginary line, okay? We have North Pole and South Pole, and we have a degree or angle. Its degree is 23.5 degrees. This angle from the North Pole to the South Pole, okay? It's tilted, the earth is tilted, مائلة بزاوية مقدارها 23.5 degrees, okay? And the last thing about this, he said that, as we said, the earth is tilted at an angle. What angle is the earth tilted at? As we said, it's 23.5. What would happen if the earth took 12 or 36 hours to turn on its axis? Okay. Now, what have we learned today? We have some points. The first one, the earth turns around or rotates on its axis, as we said, once a day. The earth's axis is tilted مائل بزاوية at an angle, as we said, it's 23.5. The earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation. تلف الأرض حول نفسها لفة كاملة كل 24 ساعة, 24 hours. We have day and night, الليل والنهار, on earth because of the earth's rotation on its own axis. تلف الأرض حول محورها لفة لتقيم الليل والنهار, as we said. Now let's go quickly to our homework in the booklet, page 6, worksheet number 6, okay? We discussed before this part from since from 1 to 6 except number 2 in the last lesson. The lesson before, it's all about where does the sun go. But now our lesson today, the earth rotates, page 76 and 77. Our question now, it starts from since number 2. He said to the earth rotates on its axis once a day or week or year. As you said, you can answer by yourself and complete the answer from 7 to 10. Okay, we have 4 extra sentence about the lesson. Thank you very much for your watching and listening. Till we meet again next time. Thank you and bye bye.